These fields allow you to control various marketing tools, as well as set the title and description for advertising online and in the listing brochures. The listing ID field is system generated and can be used for your website and property portals as a quick reference for clients to inform you which listing they are interested in. The second broker field allows you to add a second broker to the listing should you wish to market it with another team member. The listing score field shows a percentage rate of how complete the information is in your listing record to show you how well this listing is likely to perform online, where clients typically like to have as much information as possible. The total leads field shows you how well this listing is performing by showing you how many leads have been received on it. The advertise on our website and on portals checkboxes allow you to select if you wish to advertise this listing on either of those channels. These will have to be selected and the status set to active for them to be automatically published to these websites if you have active feeds to them.